Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another bag kind of unboxing and review. I'm going to be talking about my newest purse, my Coach TABBY 26 shoulder bag. I love this bag. I've been looking at it for years. I thought it was the cutest little shoulder bag. It was kind of when Coach started doing their whole kind of comeback rebranding, and I saw a girl out actually had this bag and I was like, what brand is that? I couldn't tell at first with the C logo, and I just thought it looked so chic and so cute. So since that day, I've been eyeing this purse and I finally picked up my own. I have it here in the dust bag and I'm just going to kind of unbox it, even though of course I've already kind of had it out, and I'm going to look at all the different features of it and why I love it. I love making these videos. I hope this is helpful if you guys are looking into this bag and this helps you get a little more of an insight on it. So I did get it shipped to me, so I actually don't have the box packaging, but I do have it in the dust bag. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out and show you the different features of it and kind of how it looks on. So of course with the bag you get all of the little Coach paperwork. It's a little thank you card. It says thank you for shopping at Coach. This is the packing slip. It comes in this little sleeve, and I don't have it packed back as good as they had it. I think the long strap might have actually been off, but I've put it on since then. And this is a look at the purse. So beautiful. Like I said, super chic, super high quality. Of course, Coach has always been known for their amazing leather, their amazing purses that really hold up for years. My mom has had Coach purses since as long as I can remember. I grew up with Coach purses, so I feel like they're always so tried and true, and I love that they're making such a comeback and people are really appreciating the value in them. So looking at the purse is just so stunning. I actually still have the tag on. I haven't taken it out yet, but this is just an overall look. Again, this is the TABBY shoulder bag 26. And I think the technical color is chalk, but it is the white shade. I think they also have it in black. There's a red color I think online right now. I also saw it in a dark brownish taupe color, which I thought was really pretty. It almost swayed my decision, but I really needed a white purse and I thought this was perfect. It's still kind of an off-white, and of course has the beautiful gold brass hardware. So I absolutely love it. It's a perfect size, perfect for either a shoulder bag with just this, or you have the long strap, of course, to make it more of a crossbody. Now, a lot of people are drawn to, I feel the pillow tabby, and I saw that a lot. I feel I like the structured. Of course, the pillow is also really pretty, but I think that's also a little more trendy, where this style will be a little more timeless. So I did opt for the regular tabby as opposed to the pillow, and I think it's actually a bit cheaper than the pillow tabby. This does only come in one size, I believe, where the pillow you can get the mini version or the regular size. But overall, this size seemed perfect to me, and of course the leather is just beautiful and the white color is perfect. Here's a little closer up of the logo hardware. And on the side, of course, you have the little Coach tab, the detachable straps here with the clasps, which I don't know if you can see, also says Coach engraved on the detachable part. So I'm going to go into all the details, kind of show you the inside and the different ways to remove the straps. Like I said, I think it might have come without this long strap already on there. So without it, of course, it's the perfect little shoulder bag size. This is how I first saw it being worn, and I feel that's what a lot of people buy this for, is to have this kind of short shoulder bag length, and it's just perfect. The strap is really structured, so it holds, especially even if it's just sitting. So cute, so classic. And then this also comes off as well if you wanted to for some reason. I guess this could work kind of as a clutch. I never thought about just leaving it without the strap, but I feel it would actually be kind of cute. It's just a little clutch purse. And then here's a better look at the nice hardware on the sides. Beautiful. And then it opens up here with the clasp, and you have the nice brown suede on the inside. I realized I hadn't actually taken off the film on the gold, so I'm going to go ahead and do that for the clasp part. So as you can see, this reveals the beautiful brass clasp here, and I'm going to go ahead and get off the top one. So here's a look at that inside, and of course it opens to a couple different sections. You have kind of two equal size parts in the front and the back, and then there is a zippered pocket in the middle. So there's really a good amount of room in the purse. These stretch pretty wide, and of course the bottom of the bag is pretty wide, so you have room to kind of open it up more. And it's nice having that separate compartment with the small zipper that you can close. Of course, also in the back there is a leather pocket that has the Coach branding here, so you can tell the suede is obviously so nice. I'm hoping I can keep it clean pretty easily, but that just shows everything in here. And I grabbed a couple things from my regular purse to see what I can fit in here. So I usually have a hand sanitizer, a little mini hairbrush. I have this container that holds hair ties and bobby pins. See if I can fit that in there. Pair of sunglasses, little compact mirror, and chopstick, So I did fit everything in these two front compartments. I did move some stuff around and there is room to still slip my phone in the back. If I go ahead and shut that here, fits really nicely and comfortably, and of course having that structure to this bag helps keep everything in place. So definitely could even fit a few more things as I am able to kind of like stretch this out here. I'm gonna reattach the longer strap without the shoulder strap just to see if you wanted only that long crossbody look. So here it is with the longer strap, and of course you can adjust this further. It has the different buckle lengths that you can switch to if you want to make it a little bit longer or shorter. This is still what it would look like with that strap on. I'm not sure I'll use that as much with the long strap, but it's actually a little bit easier, I think, and more practical. My idea was, of course, to have the look of the shoulder bag, but this is still definitely helpful to have this. I don't think I even knew that it came with this. I was never really like looking at it in that way. So really nice to have that option. And then from here, you can, of course, add this strap back on, and you're able to carry it this way as well. So as you can see, this is what it looks like with the long strap length. I didn't adjust this part at all. So this is where it's falling at this length. Still really comfortable and kind of just where your hand falls here. And without the long strap, this is at the shoulder bag length. So it pretty much sits perfectly, really comfortable, super cute. I love the look of it, even with like monochromatic kind of outfits. Goes with all the neutrals, super cute. And even taking it off as a clutch still works. So I never thought of using it like this, so I might have to. I love that it's so versatile. You can wear it few different ways. I think I forgot to mention on the back outside there's also a little slip pocket, so you could also put your phone in here, I think, and anything small would be able to fit here for easy access. Definitely for a smaller purse they organized it well to have different compartments for storage, and I think you can still fit a good amount in here. And like I said, it's just super cute and classic looking. Definitely I think will hold up for years and years. So I'm so glad that Coach kind of came out with these trendier bags right now that will still of course stay in style for years. So far I highly recommend this bag. The quality of course is there, definitely still on trend right now, and I think I'll get great use out of it. Of course with the neutral color I can wear it with anything. It could still be a little bit casual, especially with the shoulder bag style, or you can dress it up and make it a really classy piece. There isn't any need I feel like for an organizer in this bag just because it's already kind of compartmentalized. I will try and protect this suede, of course. That's usually the reason I put in an organizer, is to protect that suede, but it's already kind of separated out and there's not really room for another organizer, so the purse itself already kind of has that structure, which is nice. So that is pretty much a full look at this bag. Again, it's the Coach Tabby shoulder bag 26 in the color chalk. I love it. I think it's perfect. Like I said, I was eyeing it for a while, so I'm so glad I finally got my hands on my own. I'll also be including some clips of me wearing it, kind of how it falls, either throughout this video or after. And I hope this is helpful, kind of giving you an inside look at this purse if you're interested. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.